Sometimes science is just facts and recognizing facts and interconnected facts. And I'm not going to give you a long video telling you about cellulose, amylose, amylopectin, and glycogen. Just going to go over some of the facts that you commonly need to answer questions about these. They are all built from glucose. The monomer is glucose. If you break them down, every one of them gives you glucose. But you can connect the glucose through these acetal linkages that are described in different ways. The alpha and beta tell you about the stereochemistry. The 1 tells you it's connecting from carbon 1 to 4 or to 6 on another. So this is all stuff you can go study as you want, but here's the list. Cellulose does beta 1,4 linkages. Amylose, amylopectin, and glycogen do alpha 1,4. Our bodies can digest alpha 1,4 linkages. Our bodies can't digest beta 1,4 linkages. Cellulose, amylose, and amylopectin are made in plants. Glycogen in animals. Amylopectin and glycogen both branch with some extra linkages. The alpha 1/6 gives you a branch. What are they used for? Cellulose is structure in things like wood and cotton fibers and jute fibers. Amylose, long-term energy storage. Potatoes and rice have lots of it. Amylopectin is also long-term energy storage. It's found more in fruits. What we call starch is a combination of amylose and amylopectin, mostly amylopectin. The percentages vary some. Glycogen we use for short-term energy storage and store it in our liver and muscles. When we want long-term energy storage, we turn things into fats, not just long chains of sugars. Cellulose, when we eat it, we call it dietary fiber, and some animals can eat it, like cows, by having bacteria in their guts that digest it. But animals can't digest it. You need bacteria to digest it. And then what do they look like? Cellulose forms these links, long chains of sugars that form fibers. Amylose is more loopy, forms helices and odd loops. Amylopectin and glycogen both branch off. Approximately equal. Glycogen typically has more branches than amylopectin, but when you put all these little sugar monomers together that have these rings with an oxygen in them, and they connect to another sugar, you put them into these different chains and you get these different structures. And that's enough for you to know to answer questions on the basics of these 4 common glucose polymers.